I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your Discord password, don't worry. Here is a simple guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Open the Discord login page. Go to the Discord website or open the app and navigate to the login screen. You'll see the option to log in or reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login screen, click the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Discord account. Make sure it is the correct one to receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Discord with a password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, as it might end up there. Step 5. Reset your password. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and memorable. If you accidentally use an old email or misspell it, you will receive the reset link, so double check before submitting. I hope this helps you get back into your Discord account easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.